more open and available space to your left or to your right, depending on which set of doors you guys have stepped through. And before we go ahead and begin, once again, those doors are now closing behind you, so watch out if you haven't. If you are currently a part of my first and front row, I'd like to please ask you guys to take one small step back away from that silver railing right in front of you guys. A little further down ahead there as well. Thank you. Awesome. Just to keep all of us very safe today during your show time, please do not attempt to climb over or hop over that silver railing. And enjoy your 6.5-hour world premiere.
Hi, Goofy! Tell me, you ready for a picnic? Yep, we're off to the park. See you all later. Nothing can stop us now. And when there you trouble. Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here Wokey-Pokey? Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Right now we might.